Hey everyone, hope you're keeping well and staying curious. Let's jump right into today's crypto scene. We'll catch the latest moves in Bitcoin and altcoins. We'll also look at political ripples from London to Washington and the buzz around new launches. Let's get into it. Bitcoin is steady at about $110,900. Trading activity has reached over $17 billion in 24-hour volume, according to major trackers this morning. Over the past week, it's been swinging between roughly $107,000 and $112,000. Today, the number has ticked up. Bitcoin is hitting a one-week high near 112,423, up about 1.4%, driven by fresh optimism as European markets opened. The market is watching closely for the U.S. August jobs report, expected later today. If hiring stays weak, the Federal Reserve may cut interest rates. This usually increases interest in high-risk assets like crypto. Across the altcoin space, the vibes are mixed. Ether and XRP are mostly flat, while Solana slipped about 0.7%. Others are holding steady, with no major headline-grabbing moves yet. Big changes are happening in politics in both the UK and the US. In London, Reform UK, led by Nigel Farage, is making bold proposals. They want to take power from the Financial Conduct Authority and give it back to the Bank of England. This would be a huge shift in banking regulations if their ideas gain support. More telling, perhaps, is that Reform UK is actively courting the crypto industry. They're accepting cryptocurrency donations. They've sponsored conferences with crypto firms like Aave Labs and Zebek Technologies. Also, they're working to rebrand Britain as a crypto-friendly hub. The optics are promising. Businesses are interested but cautious about the controversial parts of the reform platform. On the other side of the Atlantic, momentum is building rapidly too. In Washington, the Genius Act and Clarity Act are now law. They aim to strengthen stablecoins. These laws require full reserve backing, regular audits, and compliance with anti-money laundering rules. These laws are paving the way for a massive transformation in payments infrastructure. JP Morgan and MasterCard are looking at stablecoins for their own tokens and future payments. Daily volume is nearing $30 billion, and projections aim for $250 billion in the next few years. Meanwhile, President Trump is advancing an even wider crypto agenda. His administration wanted 401k plans to include digital assets. He signed an executive order to create a strategic Bitcoin reserve. This reserve includes BTC, ETH, XRP, SOL, and ADA. It officially recognizes digital assets as national instruments, just like gold and oil. That's not just a symbol. The SEC has eased enforcement. It dropped lawsuits against Kraken, Coinbase, Gemini, Uniswap, and others. This shows a shift toward crypto-friendly policy. In the U.S. crypto scene, a Trump-backed mining company called American Bitcoin has gone public. It merged with NASDAQ and has support from Eric Trump and Donald Trump Jr. It began trading at about $8, peaked near $13, and reached a valuation of $7.5 billion. Now, it settles around $6.70. They've teamed up with Hut 8 for mining operations. They are also looking into sustainable energy sources, such as nuclear power, for production. There's more drama in the token world, too. The World Liberty Financial Token, linked to the Trump family, launched with heavy trading. It appeared on major exchanges and sparked a lot of volatility. Regulatory changes in both countries, political parties backing crypto, a strategic reserve, new mining IPOs, and exciting token launches all give the crypto world an event-driven pulse today. Trends to watch. Bitcoin staying above 110K might show strong institutional confidence. This is important as markets wait for macro data. Altcoins are waiting for catalysts, ETF signals, token launches, policy moves. In the UK, policy could reshape crypto investing if reform gains power. In the US, stablecoins and reserve strategies are under watch for how they might fold into mainstream finance. It's a fast-moving scene, and whether you're in New York or London, staying on top of regulatory angles is just as vital as tracking price charts. Hope that was insightful and grounded for you. If you're curious about token pre-sales, coin listing calendars, or deeper breakdowns on any news today, stick around. I'll bring it in the next update. Thanks for listening. See you in the next wave of crypto stories.